Can an automatic motorbike wash machine clean thoroughly? Let's be honest for a moment. Whenever you heard about an automatic motorbike wash machine, what's the first thing that's come to mind? Most people think, sure, it's fast, sure, it's look modern, but can it really clean thoroughly? Can it handle much dirt or oil stains deep inside a bike? And that is the reason why many business owners hesitate. They keep asking themselves, what if I invest in this machine, but customer complain the wash is not good enough? That is a fear. That hesitation is what's stopping thousands of entrepreneurs from tapping into one of the most profitable industries in developing countries. Now here is where things get interesting. Let me tell you a truth that most people don't know. Automatic washing machines today are not the same as 10 years ago. Technology has changed everything. High-pressure water jets can reach the bottom, the corner, and even the narrowest space of the motorbike. Rotating brushes are designed specifically to adjust to different shapes, whether it is cooler, a dirt bike, or a sport bike. Foam spraying systems don't just cover the surface, they break down mud and greases, preparing every part of the bike for deep cleaning. So can an automatic bike wash machine clean thoroughly? The answer is absolutely yes, if you choose the right machine, the right settings, and the right business partner. This is where Go&Go come in. We don't just build machines, we engineer systems that deliver consistent results day after day, wash after wash. Business that customers walk away from saying, wow, my bike looks brand new. Think about this from your customer perspective. When someone rides into your wash station, they don't just want speed, they don't just want convenience, they want trust. They want to know, will the bike be spotless? Will the service feel professional? Will they get the same perfect result every single time? And here is the beauty of the automatic washing. Machine don't get tires, machine don't get cut corner, machine don't skip spot because it is the end of the day. That's why business owners love Go&Go. With one machine, you can wash hundreds of bikes per day. Each bike get the same treatment. Each bike leave your station looking polished, without scratches, without missing spots. Now imagine that this means for your business. You save on labor, no more depending on 5 or 10 workers who might quit, complain, or make mistakes. You boost your revenue. Customers are willing to pay more for consistency and speed. And most importantly is you build a reputation. People talk, they tell their friends. That's play with the automatic machine. That's where you should go. Every wash is perfect. And here is the kicker. Once customer gets used to the automatic washing, they won't want to go back to manual washing. They will stick with you. They will stay loyal. That's the kind of business model every entrepreneur dreams of. Reliable, scalable, and respected. So back to the big question. Can an automatic bike wash machine clean thoroughly? The answer is not just yes, it's powerful yes, if you are working with the right partner. Go&Go has already helped entrepreneurs across South Asia, Africa, and beyond set up profitable wash business. We provide not only the machine, we also the training, the business strategy, and the after-sales support to make sure you succeed. You don't have to figure everything out alone. You don't have to waste money testing machines that don't work. You don't have to fear customer complaint, because with Go&Go you're not just buying a machine, you are buying confidence, you are buying peace of mind, you are buying a future of your business. So here is my challenge to you. Stop hesitating, stop doubting, stop letting fear hold you back while someone else in your city take the lead. Click the link below, contact our team, and let's plan your automatic wash business together. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you become the local leader. And trust me, once your competitors see that you have already launched, they will wish they move faster. So don't wait, don't overthink, take action. The opportunity is here, and Go&Go is ready to help you seize it.